Hi everybody, I'm the Brosman and thanks for checking out my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is installing a crank starter for my Coleman CT200U-EX. I went down to Amazoom overnight, 1-day delivery, 50 bucks is what it cost me. And if this is in the future now, today is July 29th of 2025. Anyway, so that's pretty straightforward looking, I think. And crank handle with the socket that will fit right on there. Okay, got some attachment bolts and some recycling paper. Okay, so here's the beast. This is quite a machine. I love this bike. Anyway, let me get this off and we'll get to the install. Okie dokie, let's see what we got here. Let's get some light on the subject. Get this cover off. There's only 3 threaded holes on the stock high sun motor. Okay, so releases, it goes that way. I'm going to put it like this. So I just lift up on it. Hold that, would you? Be easier the first time. Done. Okay. Crank handle bracket. This will mount someplace. You can play with that later. Okay. I'm leaving my switches off. I want to crank it over. First I want to do this before I put any gasoline or power into it. Oh, but just for test purposes, she hasn't been started for months. I've been riding the Monkey and the Harley and other things. Okay, so this is the gas. That's choke. Okay, so let's put the gas on, so we can get the gas flowing. All right, let's test it. One, two, 3. Now it's getting some resistance. 4. Initial test sequence. 3, 2, 1. So I need to hold this up until it goes to its full thing, right? Okay. Choke, fuel. Fuel, forward is on. Choke. I think that's choked. Ignition switch is on. Okay, right? Okay. Yes. Brake, hold the brake just in case. Ready? Okay, so what do I think? Was it worth the money? Just for the cool factor, that's about it. As far as sitting there cranking, I don't know, 3 or 4 cranks. If you had difficulty pulling a rope, you may have difficulty doing the crank. It's not that it's difficult. It's just, you know, it seems like it's a lot harder than just pulling a rope. So, would I recommend it? No, I wouldn't recommend this. Only because, like I said, it's just the cool thing. You know, I wanted cool stuff on my bike. You see my bike. I didn't overdo it with junk. It's everything that's on here is functional, but it does add a cool factor to it. And for that reason alone, for the cool factor alone, I think I'm going to keep it. And the length of rope in my storage tank, just in case. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe. I'd sure appreciate it. Thanks for watching.